Hi, I'm Kevin from Dahua, Australia, and today we're here to talk about the new lineup of products that are added to the already awesome Dahua wireless alarm system. We've added to the suite of products this fantastic wireless keypad. We've now also got the panic buttons in single button and dual button. We've added a more compact reed switch with a compact door reed component. This great device for controlling your garage door motor in a wireless relay. We've got the leak detection device, and this is fantastic for under your laundry sinks, bathroom sinks, and of course your kitchen sink to prevent damage to your existing floor or cabinetry. And lastly in this lineup of new range of products is the camera PIR. Much anticipated and a fantastic addition to this suite of components, all of which connect to your DMSS app, giving you almost instant notification should there be any activation in any of these components. Check out the new lineup of components that are available now for this Dahua alarm system and get this installed today.